Hello friends, I'm Joseph, psychologist and job coach, originally from Cologne. And today I'm telling you the story why I'm in the south of Turkey for a sabbatical. My interview partner is Başak.
Hello.
Owner of this wonderful place. The point is to leave our comfort zone. For me it was a huge step after more than, let's say, 25 years of working, to leave everything behind, to dissolve it even, my office, do something with my bare hands, working in the ground, with the ground and vegetables and fruits. I had to learn about it, not to overwater or underwater.
Here is a farm about all worms.
Talking about worms, we can of course compare to human beings. It took millions of years to get this size of head, right? For conscious action. It's not always like this here. Why is it necessary to do it like this? Can't I do it another style, other ways? What I learned here, the right tools make a huge difference in farming as well as in coaching. Neurologists say it's a recalibration of the nervous system happening, and this changes also the thought patterns in our mind. Here I have a representation of our mind. It's a frame. If we want new solutions in life, we need to widen this frame. I've been here much more connected with nature. This also applies to the food on my plate. I have been experienced so much love and warmth and helpfulness in this 2.5 months I've been here.
I'm Başak, I'm 41 years old. I came to south of Turkey from Istanbul. Actually, I born and raised in Istanbul. My main job is graphic design and I worked in corporate field for 13 years. Then after that, I quit my comfort zone and decided to come to south of Turkey. I was just found myself like I'm running, struggling all the time. And I just start thinking, maybe I should have some coaching session with a professional. Then Joseph wrote me from a website and I just look at the sky and universe, this shouldn't be a coincidence. I just said, okay, I will just use this opportunity. Yeah, such a great experience. Sorry guys, but none of you have this opportunity. I get it. Joseph! What are you doing there?
Great.
Joseph is taking daily beauty session with natural mud there. We are in south of Turkey and enjoying our time here. Hey! Yeah, he has kind of impressive lifestyle actually. His eating habits, daily routines, yogic part, psychologist part, thinking process, considering the life. He's always adding the universe to everything, because that universe meaning is you are not only responsible with yourself. Now I feel myself like I'm on at least first floor, then I can watch what's happening there. Of course there are so many floors, but at least it was a great start for me. Now I can go step by step every day. So thank you so much for everything, Joseph.
The sabbatical is a way, a means, resharpen my tools and to see what I will do in the next 32 years. I'm closing with a quote of Sadhguru, an Indian mystic and yogi. Happiness starts with you, not with your job, not with your relationship, not with your money, but with you. Namaskar.